Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Fiza from Department of English Literature. Today I am going to discuss about psycholinguistics. According to Jacob Roberts, psycholinguistics concerns with the relationship between language and the human mind. So what is psycholinguistics? The word psyche means mind or mental process, and the linguistic means study of language. Psycholinguistics is also known as psychology of language. This term psycholinguistic used by Jacob Roberts' book for the very first time. The name of the book is An Objective Psychology of Grammar. There are three theories of psycholinguistics. The first is language comprehension, the second is language production, and the third one is language acquisition. And first, language comprehension is the ability to understand something, how we process and understand language. It is the ability to understand different elements of spoken or written language. The second one is language production. Production means to produce something. It describes the stages of speech from initial mental concept to the spoken or written linguistics results. Simply, it is the process of communicating through language. In other words, we can say that we physically produce speech, how we speak, and how we use languages. And the third one is language acquisition. In language acquisition, how children learn their first language, how humans acquire knowledge and select the word for communication. Except that children acquisition having two primary theories. The first is behaviorist theory and the second is innatist theory. Behaviorist theory is a theory of Skinner's. He suggests that language is learned from the environment and conditioning. The conditioning word means the positive and negative impact of learning. And the second theory is innatist theory. Innatist word means natural. According to Noam Chomsky's theory, children born with the ability to acquire knowledge. This theory is a totally opposite of behaviorist theory. He suggests that children are born with a built-in ability to learn first language. He referred to this ability as LAD, language acquisition device. This LAD enables an infant to acquire and produce knowledge. LAD is an inherent aspect of the human brain that programmed with specific grammar structures common to all languages. So here the question arises, how child learn language? According to C.A. Ferguson, children are able to learn languages because adult speaks to them. Further, we move to the other process of psycholinguistics, cognitive processes. It means how the brain processes language or examines the relationship between language and the mind. Through cognitive process, we are able to explore the world and interact with it. There are 5 steps of cognitive processes. The first is sensation and perception. Sensation relates to the senses and the perception is a type of ability where how humans perceive knowledge. The second is attention. You need attention. When we perform action, we need attention. The third is cognitive process in reading. When we read book and other information and articles, we should not distract. The fourth one is cognitive processes in writing. During writing, we need to ignore noises, start writing with proper plans. We must know what we want to write. And the last one is cognitive process in language. Through language, we communicate with others. So thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.